What's up guys, I am Zain and today I'm going to show you how to easily buy just one single item on Alibaba. Now first we should head to Alibaba store. Then now you will have to search for any item or any product that you want to get. And now here in my case I will search for gaming mouse for example. And after that it will show you this page right here. And now when you head to any product right here, you will find the minimum order like this one right here, and beside it you will find the minimum number of orders that you can actually buy. So here in this case for this product you can only buy at least 1,000 pieces of this mouse, so you have to make sure that the minimum order has only one. So now you have to scroll down till you find a seller that has the minimum order with one. So here as you can see I have this one right here with the minimum order one piece, and also this one. And if you actually finding it difficult, you can simply scroll up again and go to these filters on the left, and you can choose from this filter right here, minimum order. You can type here one, then click on the OK button, and it will show you actually the number of sellers that can give you the product with minimum order of one item. It may show you some other unrelated products, but you can simply scroll down till you find what you really need. So now let's say that I want to buy this mouse. You can simply tap on it and it will jump you directly to this page. Now you can simply click on start an order. Then here as you can see it will show you the colors of the product. You can click on this plus sign in order to add only one. Then here as you can see you will find the subtotal amount of money. It will cost me $83 because the shipping will cost $70. After that you can simply click on continue to order and continue filling in all the information required for this order. And you have to be signed in using your account. They will ask you for the address, the payment method, so you have to enter your payment card information and all of these things. But let's say that you want to contact with the supplier. You can simply go back and click on this icon right here, and you will be able to contact the supplier and you can negotiate with him about the shipping fee, if he can actually solve your problem and decrease the shipping fee if you want actually to buy the product. And that's all for today friends. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends, leave a good comment and subscribe to the channel.